Okay, holy this is gorgeous. Welcome back to Get It Together, the show where I break into my designer friends' homes to prove to you that home renovations are hard, even for us professionals. Today, we're at Andre Herrero's house. Andre is one half of Charlotte Pyman and Herrero. They're design darlings. And don't just take my word for it, they just won the 2026 Smithsonian Design Award. So, you're welcome. Where are we today?
Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my home. Zorro is gonna walk us through our project. This house was purchased 7 years ago, I believe.
Okay.
We have been slowly renovating little portions of this place. So we are in my bedroom right now.
Holy this is gorgeous.
We did do a few little structural momentitos. We moved everything like a half an inch.
Cost effective.
The arch is new. We created this little chamber that you walk in. It's a little lower ceiling. We raised the ceiling in this room. So the ceiling was actually low. It matched, but the skylight already existed. So that was kind of the clue that there was a lot more ceiling space to be had.
Why do people drop ceilings?
The main reason is mechanical. So you want to fit a bunch of ducts in there. You want to fit a bunch of stuff. Another reason could be impact. The way you move through spaces, it's a narrative. So you have to think about it like things become more special by contrast of other things. Release, there's like an emotional sort of like romanticism to that.
This is just like an architect. Did you draw all this out for them, or are you like doing this on site?
So we drew the stone, but I think having renders for very small projects like this and being on site regularly is probably the move. This is going to be a mirror. The top of all of these, the mirror, vanity, cabinet mirror, the window, the door, they all have the same datum. What is a datum? They all are the same height. So it creates a little bit of an organization there. Here we have, the higher part of the molding, and then here we use this exact same piece on the bottom, and we have it become the sill. That is going to be a recessed medicine cabinet. There's going to be a little knob here that we actually designed. It's also going to have a 7/8 inch bevel, so for all intents and purposes, when you look at this bathroom, it's going to see mirror and mirror. Everything did move like a half an inch. This window was like 2 inches off center.
You reframed the window?
Imagine looking at this and you have a centered toilet and then you have a window that's just like off. Like it would drive you crazy, no?
That's why you're a Smithsonian award-winning designer and I'm just out here. You're right.
Listen,
I'm
2 hours
wrong.
for a lifetime of eye twitching. Look at this, look at that.
Oh, who is it, buddy?
Look at that.
I think Zora's on my team for the window.